Mr. Winston. Woo, woo, woo. Ready? What do we have? Give me a quick rundown. Just the basic. What did we do with this project? Well, maybe start off with the language. What language did we do it in?
No one else has insert ChatGPT into Visual Studio.
Yeah, and what was the coding language you did this in?
Python.
Python. All right, so what we took the, remember this slide here?
Yeah.
What is it?
The API key.
Exactly. We took the API key from ChatGPT and we made a Python program that puts it into our program. So, I mean, I could ask you some of these questions. I don't know if you remember. Which model of the AI are you using?
GPT-4.
Exactly. Yeah, so the GPT-4o. So that's one of the ChatGPT models. And then this is just the program. If you remember, this is the program that takes...
One more tidbit.
I got triple gold.
This is the part of the program that takes the AI model, and then this is the part that lets you type in the answer, right? So, you know, welcome, type in an answer, and you keep looping it. That's good. Okay, so you know what? Let's actually see if you can open it up. Get it running. So remember, open up the command prompt, those steps. Yeah, go for it. Yeah, so we're going to go to our... Nice. Yep. So Mr. Winston learned a little bit of PowerShell commands as well. Nice. Close. Put a space. And then the name of the... Yeah, good. Very close, very close. Press enter, or you can backspace. Instead of Winston, ChatGPT, remember we want to open up the file name. Do you remember the name of the file? Yeah, so hit backspace and then. Very close, good stuff. We keep the Python part though.
Okay, there. These are all the numbers.
Yep.
What is it?
And perfect. Ask Elysium anything. What do you want to ask?
What can I say?
Huh?
I want to see what.
How much do Timbits cost? We have Timbits here.
It goes back to 0. No. I got to 8,000 and accidentally pressed it. Yeah. I don't care.
Let's see if it gives us an answer.
What did you say? I don't care.
10 bits. So we actually bought 50, and they did cost around $10 Canadian. Yay! Good stuff, Winston. Nice bump.